Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jam, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. New Summit Colors Distribution recently sent me another PR package. And let's see what they've sent me. We have Revlon Professional Unique 1. This is an all-in-one hair treatment with 10 real benefits. And the benefits are: repairs dry and damaged hair, strengthens and reduces breakage, conditions and detangles, controls frizz, instantly moisturizes, heat protection, boosts shine and protects color, softens and manageability, helps to prevent split ends, and refreshes hairstyle. And it's also in a 150 ml bottle spray. Next we have is Morocco Argan Oil by Sinus. It's a liquid gold from Morocco that nourishes and moisturizes. This can be used on your hair and your body. This one is in 100 ml bottle. Next we have is one of my favorite top coats ever, and it's CND's Long Wear Top Coat. Then we have my super favorite nail and cuticle oil. It's CND's Solar Oil. Then we have CND's Mediterranean Dream Collection. We have the shades Boats and Bikinis, Artisan Bazaar, Terracotta Dreams, Olive Grove, Limoncello, and Linen Luxury. We'll be posting a swatch video for this collection very soon. Thank you so much, New Summit Colors Distribution, for sending me this package. If you want to check out more products by New Summit Colors Distribution, I'll be leaving the link of their official Shopee Mall and their official Instagram account. And that's it for today. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on my official social media pages. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!